Good morning, everyone. We are going to enjoy a warm day today with temperatures in the 60s. A couple spotty showers this morning, but we're going to see plenty of dry weather develop here through the day today. Enjoy it because tomorrow and Saturday are going to be very rainy out there. We could see some heavy rainfall totals by Saturday, along with some minor flooding being likely. And as we go into Sunday, we're going to be dry but very, very cold behind the storm system. So here's a look at that 7-day forecast. Today, 64 degrees. We're going to see a few peaks of sunshine developing as we go into this afternoon. It's going to be a great day. Definitely recommend getting outside because tomorrow and Saturday are going to be very wet here. And then we're going to see a pretty big cool down in the temperatures. As we go into Saturday afternoon, those temperatures fall in the 40s very quickly. And then as we go into Sunday morning, we're in the mid-20s. So it's going to get cold once again. So let's talk about the timing of this rain. The rain will really start to pick up here, I think, tonight toward midnight. From midnight to 7 a.m., we're going to see pockets of some heavy rain. So tomorrow morning, it's going to be very wet out there with some of that rain that is going to be falling. We'll see a few breaks in the rain tomorrow, but again, we'll see the rain increase again Friday evening through today, Saturday. The rain really won't fully exit the area until late Saturday night. So Saturday is going to be an all-day rain and a washout the way it appears. So again, we could see about 1.5 to 2 inches of rain out of the storm system before all is said and done. And then we're going to see a drier stretch of weather. We'll need it. We'll see a dry stretch of weather here Sunday through Wednesday of next week, with temperatures that will start to warm back up. So 40s Sunday, and then we'll be back to 60s by Wednesday of next week. So hey, we just have to wait a few days and then we'll be back to some nice spring temperatures. So overall, we're looking up here as we go forward into April. Thank you guys for checking out this update. Hope you have a great day.